Dark car factories are coming sooner than you think. Increasingly capable robots and artificial intelligence could fundamentally change how cars are made this decade. By 2030, there will be at least one automotive dark factory in the USA or China, experts told Automotive News. That's a facility where 100% of the assembly line is automated and requires no human input. Since no people are theoretically involved, such a plant can be dark and operate at full steam, 24/7. Carmakers have been chasing this sci-fi concept for decades, and they aren't slowing down. More of the latest EV news. Rivian just took a crucial step toward R2 deliveries this year. Ford hybrids may use cutting-edge batteries from China's BYD. Hyundai, for example, just announced plans to build 30,000 Atlas humanoid robots per year by 2028 and put them to work in its factories. Tesla is already making Optimus robots on a limited scale in California. Elon Musk has been clear about his vision here. He wants to build a robot army that can help out at Tesla factories and take on other menial labor. I've been to about half a dozen car factories in the USA and India. From what I've observed, even the most advanced assembly lines today still rely heavily on human labor. Installing things like wiring harnesses and dashboards requires workers to contort at awkward angles. These are the kinds of tasks where human dexterity still outperforms machines. Today's factories are designed around human hands that can adapt and perform complex tasks in unpredictable environments. Robots simply aren't there yet. That may change over time, but for now, humans are still the ones doing a lot of the dirty work. Famously, Tesla overdid it on automation in the early days of Model 3 production and had to pivot. Yes, excessive automation at Tesla was a mistake, Musk tweeted in 2018. Humans are underrated, he added. But that was almost a decade ago. Has technology gotten so good that humans are now overrated? We may find out in the next few years. Source: reposted and summarized from Suvrat Kothari at insideevs.